So hey guys, it's Ree, but if you're new to my channel, my name's ADERIYIKE, but you can call me Ree. So today, I've been very excited to try the new Juvias Place palette foundation, and I have to pull it up on my phone. I'm gonna pull up the foundation finder because Juvias Place just released their foundation in stores like a few days ago, and I was like, I really want to try it. It says really full coverage. You guys know I have like acne marks to cover and stuff. Sorry if I look up, I have a screen, but my screen is all the way up there. But I have a lot of acne marks to cover, and I wanted to try a new foundation anyways. So we're gonna go to the shade finder so you guys can see how I found my shade, because I don't know if it's really my shade, but I'm gonna screen record and put it on the screen so you guys can see. And I already did this, but I just want to show you guys. So online, well, this foundation was online. I really hopped right into the video, but this foundation was online, and I was really skeptical because I can't just look online and imagine my shade. Like, I probably have to buy like 5 foundations, and I didn't want to do that. So this was like $20. I don't want to make this like a review, but it says, what shade kingdom do you belong to? The dark kingdom, the medium kingdom, the light kingdom. I'm dark. It says, how would you describe your skin tone? Deep is dark, deep dark, dark. I have deep dark. Well, based on like their range in the foundation, is deep dark, and it says cool, as you guys can see. I think I picked warm. I don't know, maybe my undertone is wrong or something. I picked warm, and there you go. I got the color Togo 210, which magically is in my hand right now. This is Togo 210, right? So my face is dry as freak. I need to moisturize it. The store and got Togo 210, right? I did not believe that was my shade because I went to the store 3 times. First time I got the 5th to last shade. I think it was like Mali or Angola or Tanzania, whatever. I got it. I was like, this is not my color. Second time I went back, I got Tanzania. Then third time, I was just like, let me just get Togo since they say it matches so well to my skin. And on the website it just says Togo has deep olive undertones, but when I took the quiz, I put in warm, neutral, whatever. I didn't put in olive. I do not have olive undertones. I am not. Olive undertones, I think, is like a green type. I don't have olive undertones. So I want you guys to see how this foundation looks. I'm not saying this is my perfect shade. Of course, I'm gonna use my Fenty primer. Bought a whole bottle of it. So the whole bottle must be used. And I'm gonna double up that primer with Smashbox. My chair is so dying creaky. I'm gonna use a Smashbox Photo Finish primer. And I heard this foundation is really full coverage, but regardless, the skin is still oily. So I'm going to have to take some powder. I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty, the body spray face powder all over my face with a brush. This is Togo, and as I was saying before, it's not supposed to be like a review, like how many fluid ounces, what it claims, all that. I just want to show you guys how it works. So it's my Rose Technique sponge that I use, and I think I'm going to just take like this much. As you can see, I'm gonna take this much, and however much it covers. And this foundation is thick, like it ain't going nowhere. So okay, so this drop covered the lower half of my face, and the color doesn't seem too off. I don't know if it's gonna oxidize, but right now I don't know if it looks nice. I'm just about to just cover up my face. I'm gonna do another diagonal, like the same amount on the other side. And I hate applying thick foundations with a brush. I just don't like applying with a brush in general, like foundation. I'm gonna end up using my sponge anyway, so that's why I just went in with my sponge. So far so good. The coverage is nice. Looking a little mask-ish right now. I'm gonna just drag this down because I don't even know if it's my color for real, so I'm gonna drag it down my neck. Okay. So yeah, this really is full coverage because I feel like the undertone, or it just looks a little too like ashy looking. So I don't believe I'm a gold, an olive undertone. So I'm gonna just take, I don't know if I should take it on a sponge or a brush on my forehead. This is basically how it's looking. I need to move my mirror up or something to see what's happening. I'm sorry if y'all see my makeup stuff, but it doesn't look that bad. I don't know, it feels like a little ashy. I don't know if that's just like the coverage or whatever, but we still have to make this work anyway. So same thing I use around my eyebrows. Like the match isn't like, it's not like super off. If it is off, I don't know, you guys let me know down in the comments, I'm sure, but it's not super off. It feels more like my chest color though, not my face color. So the color I used around my eyebrows is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Suede. So that's what I'm going to be using to conceal my face today. I think that the undertone is not bad right now, but when we blend out this concealer, we're going to really know if I get white light, turn different colors. Because I'm pretty sure that it's past oxidation state right now. It's been on my face for a good minute. Okay, so this is how the foundation is looking so far. I'm gonna take 2 powders, right? I've been doing this lately for fuller coverage and stuff, even though I probably don't need it because this foundation is thick as fuck. This foundation reminds me of like the Kat Von D. The Kat Von D is like the same type of liquid, except the Kat Von D, I don't know. So I'm gonna take Fenty's Hazelnut, but this is gonna be more like of a all over powder type, so my face can set properly. So I'm gonna just go crazy with these one all over, no boundaries. Right, so while that's baking, I'm gonna take a lighter powder so I don't change colors like a chameleon. I'm gonna take Kunafa by Huda Beauty, the body spray face powder. Right, it's really yellow. It might look white on the screen. And put it in the areas that I like a bright under eye. So this way you don't really turn colors because you're not putting a white base on first. You put the brown base. So oh my god, every video a face powder has to drop. My face is baking. I'm going to bronze up my face and I will be back with the finished product. So hey guys, I'm back. I finished my full face and in my opinion the color is not like totally off. Like it looks like it can match sort of like the lightest part of my chest stretched out. I don't know, I don't feel like it matches my face. It matches like around here. I went to the bathroom with like real good lighting and it's like a little bit off, but it's definitely workable. I can see like ways I could get around with this matching. But this is like, this is kind of informational for people who probably ordered online or who haven't went to the store. I waited because I know if I order online it's not going to be the right shade, because there's people's warm undertones is someone else's cool undertones. Like it's like different to some people, whatever. I don't know if I confused you guys, but this is basically how it's looking. Let me know how you guys think about like the match and stuff. I don't think it's that bad, but I also would have just went to the store to double check instead of just going with what I saw on the online, because online it said olive undertones. I've never ever been perceived as or thought I was an olive undertone. So if I were you, if you haven't got this foundation, I would color match online to get like shade range type. So if you're like at 200s, 300s, whatever, 100s, and then I'll go to the store and still swatch it anyways. So you're still gonna have to go to the store. But let me know what you guys think about this shade, this look. I decided to do like glitter in my gray hair because it's time for some stuff new. So let me know what you guys think about this foundation. If you have it, it's great coverage. It feels like it's gonna last all day. My face is super matte, so whatever. Let me know what you guys think down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.